The 2007 Kia Sorento. The Kia Sorento is a comfortable riding, powerful, compact SUV loaded with impressive standard features. Take one look at its stylish, sleek design and you'll want to cross over to a Sorento. And is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, electronic stability control, four-wheel drive, front tow hooks, front all-season tires, rear all-season tires, full-size spare tire, aluminum wheels, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, four-wheel ABS, luggage rack, auto-off headlights, fog lamps, heated mirrors, power driver mirror, power passenger mirror, heated exterior driver mirror, heated exterior passenger mirror, privacy glass, intermittent wipers, variable speed intermittent wipers, power driver's seat. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.